Benedetti Life is a sustainable brand, not just that, it's even animal-free, or let's say vegan, and it's luxury brand, so that means that we can talk about sustainable luxury. What means this? It is just that I use a lot of innovations in sustainable textiles, and all designs are unique. And if you want to be sustainable, you have to use sustainable or circular textiles. What I choose, just certified textiles, organic textiles. I choose textiles from circular economy, what means I work with apple skin leather, which was made with waste of apples from food industry, mixed with polyurethanium. Then from apple skin leather, I moved to pineapple leather, which is for me one of the best solutions for leather industry. It's totally plant-based and it biodegrades in nature, let's say in 1 month at least. I have been a few years ago at the Green Carpet Awards in Milano Fashion Week in La Scala, and I was one of the 5 finalists. This was a prestigious awards about sustainability in fashion industry. Then 2 years ago, they invited me in Los Angeles during Oscars. I designed, among Louis Vuitton and Vivienne Westwood, a couture dress made with tencel lace, which is one of the best solutions for evening dresses. I changed a little even the concept of the fashion industry. I don't have years, I don't have seasons. So each collection is dedicated to one animal species in extinction because of our impact on the animal world. So the first collection was inspired by parrots that are in extinction because of cutting the Amazon forests, because of burning the forests, because of taking them from natural habitat and putting in cages. The biggest difference between fast fashion and sustainable fashion is that sustainable fashion is supporting the environment and it helps to protect water, earth and air. Fast fashion is total opposite. It's the most polluted fashion, even it's a crime against people working in fast fashion. The strongest names are based on the designer, so I put my soul in the brand, and I don't want to put my all name, I put just my surname and I put near life, because I think that my brand is about protecting life at all stages.